viewers! Welcome again to another episode of MFOM TV with me, Phoebe. Firstly, I want to greet all of you a Merry Christmas! Kasi alam niyo naman dito sa Pinas, pagdating ng September, Pasko na. That is why for today's episode, we will be giving your entryway some Christmas vibe. Kasi yung entryway ninyo, ito yung parte ng bahay na unang makikita ng guests when they enter your home and the last that they see when they leave. Definitely with beautiful decors and the right placements, you'll be able to create a memorable display that everybody will surely love. Decorate your home with festive greenery to welcome your guests. Hang a wreath on your entranceway. Place a garland around the stairs, on your wall, and above the console mirror. Use ornaments and decors to decorate your greenery. A themed greenery collection from Mandaue Foam makes it simpler to have a coordinated Christmas decor. Display your cherished Christmas ornaments or even your homemade decorations. Arrange your preferred decor in a bowl or tray on your entryway console. To add a personal touch, consider incorporating artwork and framed photos alongside your festive display on the console. Nothing brings more of a Christmas vibe than Santa Claus himself or even a Belen. Place a mini or even life-size Santa or Belen, whichever you prefer, to welcome guests as soon as they open the door. You can also put a Christmas character like a nutcracker or a snowman to add character to your space and set a merry vibe to your place. Light up your hallway and staircase using Christmas lights and lanterns. It creates a warm, inviting ambience and makes your decorations glow. Again, Merry Christmas, homeowners! But please do stick around for more Christmas contents kasi marami pa kaming mga Christmas ideas for you guys. Till next time, see ya! Comment of the week. Congratulations to last week's winners! This week's prize.